Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't. Can I still get a table? Of course. How many people are coming? 2, please. My friend will come soon.
No problem. Would you like to sit upstairs or downstairs? Is there a table near the window? Yes, we have one upstairs. It has a nice view. That's great. I'll take that. Please follow me. Thank you. The restaurant looks very nice. I'm happy you like it. Would you like to sit inside or outside? Inside, please. It's a bit cold outside. Sure. Here is your table. Thank you. Can I have the menu, please? Here you are, sir. Please take your time. Thank you. Actually, I'll order now. My friend will be here later. Of course. What would you like to have? I'll have the grilled chicken with vegetables, please. And for your friend, sir? She'd like the pasta with tomato sauce. Sure. Would you like something to drink? Yes, please. 1 orange juice for me and 1 mango smoothie for her. All right. Do you have any food allergies? No, I'm fine, but I don't really like onions. No problem, sir. We can make it without onions. And your friend? She's allergic to shrimp, so please make sure her pasta has no seafood. Of course. I'll tell the kitchen. Anything else? That's all. Thank you. Great. Your food and drinks will be ready soon. Thank you very much.
Hello, Jack. Did you wait long?
Hi, Cassie. No, not at all. I just arrived a few minutes ago.
I'm sorry. I came straight from work.
That's okay. Was the traffic bad?
Yes, a bit. It's rush hour now. And it was raining a little, too.
Oh, really? I hope you didn't get wet.
No worries. I brought an umbrella. The waiter helped me put it aside.
That's very kind of them.
The staff here are really polite.
Yes, they are.
This restaurant looks quite fancy.
I asked a friend for a recommendation. He suggested this place. By the way, I already ordered for us.
Oh, you did? What did you order?
A mango smoothie and some pasta for you. Is that all right?
That's perfect. Those are my favorite foods.
How did you know that?
I asked your best friend, Lucy. She told me.
Thank you for inviting me to dinner.
It's my pleasure. I'm glad you came. This pasta tastes really good. You should try some.
It looks nice. What sauce is that?
Tomato and a little cheese. It's simple but delicious.
Let me try it a bit.
Sure, here you go.
You're right. It's very tasty.
Thanks. What about your dish? The grilled chicken looks great.
Yes, it's very soft and juicy. Do you want to try some?
Sure, just a small piece.
Here, take this one.
Oh, it's so good. I like the flavor.
I'm glad you like it.
The sauce makes it better.
Yes, it's really nice. Yes, it's really nice.
I agree. The food and the service are both great.
And the atmosphere is really cozy too.
Yeah, it's perfect for dinner.
By the way, would you like to try some dessert?
That sounds great. What do they have?
I saw chocolate cake and fruit ice cream on the menu.
I love ice cream. Let's share one.
Good idea.
Excuse me. Yes, sir. How can I help you?
We'd like to order some dessert, please.
Of course. What would you like to have?
We'll share 1 fruit ice cream, please.
Sure. Would you like it now or after your meal?
Now, please.
All right. Anything else?
Yes, could you play some soft music? The current song is a bit loud. I see. You'd like something more relaxing, right? Yes, maybe something calm or romantic. Of course. I'll change it right away. Thank you. That would be lovely. You're welcome. I'll bring your ice cream in a few minutes. Perfect. The atmosphere here will be even better with soft music. I agree. It's already a nice evening. Here's your dessert. 1 fruit ice cream. It looks beautiful. Thank you. You're welcome. Please enjoy. It smells really nice.
Yes, and it looks so colorful. Let's try it.
Sure, you go first.
It's so sweet and fresh.
Let me try a little. Oh, it's perfect. I love the mix of fruit and cream.
Same here. It's light but delicious.
The music makes it even better, doesn't it?
By the way, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. Why?
How about watching a movie together? There's a new one at the cinema near the park.
That sounds great. I'd love to.
Perfect. Maybe Saturday evening.
Perfect. Maybe Saturday evening.
Yes, I'm looking forward to it.
Maybe we should get the bill now.
Yes.
Excuse me, could we have the bill, please? Of course, sir. I'll bring it right away. Here's your bill. Thank you. Let's check. Everything looks correct. Yes, 1 pasta, 1 grilled chicken, 2 drinks, and 1 ice cream. That's so good to hear, sir. Oh, wait, we did not order any steak. Oh, we are sorry. There must be a mistake. Here you go, sir. Please double check it again. They're all fine now. Would you like to pay by card or cash, sir? By card, please. Here you go. Thank you. Please wait a moment. Here's your card and receipt. Thank you very much. Everything was wonderful tonight. We're happy to hear that. Have a lovely evening. You too.
Oh no, it's raining harder now.
Yes, good thing I have my umbrella.
Still, it's a lot of rain. I can drive you home.
That's very kind, but my house is not far.
I know, but the road is wet. You can get cold.
You're right, it's raining a lot.
You can close your umbrella. I'll open the car door.
Thank you. That's very nice of you.
No problem. I don't want you to get wet.
You're very kind. I had a good time tonight.
Me too, but let's go before the rain gets worse.
Okay, let's run to the car.
Be careful, the ground is slippery.
I will. Wow, it's really raining now.
Don't worry, you'll be dry soon in the car. Don't worry, you'll be dry soon in the car.
Yes, much better than outside.
The rain is really heavy now.
True. I hope it stops by morning.
Me too. I don't like driving in this rain.
Me too. I don't like driving in this rain.
Me too. I don't like driving in this rain.
Yeah, it's perfect. I was a bit cold before.
Good. I don't want you to catch a cold.
You know, watching the rain like this is kind of nice.
Yeah, it's really chill.
I like the sound of the rain on the car.
Same here. It feels peaceful. Do you have work tomorrow?
Yes, I start at 9. What about you?
I have to finish one project. The deadline is tomorrow evening.
Oh, that sounds busy.
Yeah, a little, but I'll finish it. What about your work?
It's okay. Just normal meetings and emails.
That's good.
You always look calm even when you're busy.
Thanks. I just try to stay positive.
That's a good way to think.
So, what will you do after work tomorrow?
Maybe rest at home and watch a movie.
Sounds nice. You deserve a break after today.
Thanks. This drive is really relaxing. Thank you for driving me home.
No problem. I'm glad you got here safely.
Hey, look, the rain has stopped.
Oh, really? That's great.
Yes, and everything feels so fresh now.
Yeah, the air smells clean after the rain. Hey, it's nice, isn't it?
It is, but I think I should go inside now.
Of course, it's getting a bit late.
Right. Thank you again for dinner. I had a really good time.
I'm happy to hear that. I enjoyed tonight too. The food, the music, the rain, everything was perfect.
Yeah, it was such a nice evening.
I'll text you when I get home.
Okay, sure. Drive carefully.
Yes, I'm looking forward to it. Great. Have a good night.
Great. Have a good night.
Hey, Lisa.
Hey, Mark, what's up?
I was thinking I really wanted to speak English fluently someday.
That's great. What made you think about that?
Well, I've been studying for years, but I still hesitate when I need to speak.
I totally understand. You know what? Let's speak only English today.
Only English all day?
Yep. No French, just English from now until tonight.
Wait, all day? That sounds really difficult.
Maybe at first, but that's how you get fluent. You need to practice actually using the language.
But what if I make mistakes? I always worry about saying the wrong thing.
Make them. Seriously. Mistakes mean you're learning. Every mistake is a chance to improve.
I guess that makes sense.
Look, you already know a lot of English. You just need confidence. So, are you ready to try?
Okay, then let's do it. English only.
That's the spirit. I'm proud of you already. Let's go.
I woke up early today,
Nice. What time?
around 6:30.
Wow, that's early. What did you do first?
I brushed my teeth, washed my face, and made coffee.
Good morning energy.
Yeah, I need coffee to start my day.
Same here. I can't function without coffee.
You said function. What does that mean?
It means to work or to operate like a machine.
Oh, so like I can't function without coffee means I can't work without coffee.
Exactly.
You know, I always want to speak faster.
Fluency isn't speed, it's flow.
Flow.
Yeah, you don't need to speak fast. You just need to keep the conversation going naturally.
Oh, that's easier.
The key is not to stop too long. If you forget a word, use another one.
Really? That's cool. I'll note them in my head.
By the way, did you sleep well last night?
Pretty well. I went to bed around 11.
That's good. Sleep is really important for language learning, you know?
Really? Why?
Because your brain processes everything you learned while you sleep.
Oh, so if I study English before bed, I'll remember it better.
Exactly. Your brain is like organizing files while you sleep.
That's interesting. I'll try that tonight.
So, what do you usually eat for breakfast?
Usually a croissant and cafe au lait. Simple but good.
Wait, you liked French food?
I do. I like pain au chocolat and quiche too, but this morning I wanted something quick.
Classic French breakfast.
Yeah, my grandma always says you can't think well on an empty stomach.
That sounds so true.
She's also funny. She tries to speak English sometimes.
Really? That's cute.
Yeah, she says things like, nice to meet you, to the TV.
That's adorable. She's practicing too.
So what's my goal for your English?
Wait, my English? You mean your English?
Oh, right. I mean my English goal.
See, that's a natural mistake. Don't worry about it.
I want to talk naturally like we're doing now.
That's a perfect goal.
Sometimes I translate in my head before I speak.
Yeah, everyone does that at first, but try to think in English little by little.
That sounds hard.
Start simple, like, it's hot, I'm hungry.
That's cute. Okay, I'll try that. Should I say them out loud?
Yes, even when you're alone, talk to yourself.
Won't people think I'm crazy?
Maybe, but who cares? We speak for ourselves, not for them.
You're right.
Let's grab a coffee.
Again, you just had one.
True, but you can never have too much coffee.
Is that healthy, though?
Probably not, but it makes me happy.
Okay, one more cup.
But this is your last one today.
Deal.
Maybe.
You're impossible.
Okay, but you have to order coffee yourself.
That's too difficult for me.
Well, you have to try to make it easier. Okay, I'll do it. Wait for me.
Hi there, what can I get for you?
I'll have a, cappuccino, please.
Sure, what size?
Oh, medium.
Great. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Perfect. That'll be $2.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
Here you are.
Thank you so much.
Have a nice day.
You too.
You did great.
Really? I was so nervous.
You sounded natural.
I mixed up I'll have and I am have last time, remember?
Yeah, but this time was perfect.
I think I'm getting better, little by little.
See? That's the key. Little by little.
Yes, thanks to you, I feel more confident.
Well, I'm just with you. You are the one who speaks, so you should say thanks to yourself.
Well, at least being with you makes me feel confident.
You make me shy.
I'm just saying the truth. By the way, sometimes I forget words.
That's okay. Don't panic. Just describe it.
Describe.
Yeah, for example, if you forget umbrella, you can say the thing for rain.
Oh, that's smart. That's fluency, using what you know. So like if I forget refrigerator, I can say the cold box for food.
Exactly. See? You're getting it.
What about if I forget bicycle?
Good question. What would you say?
The thing with two wheels?
Perfect. That works.
This is fun, like a game.
That's the right attitude. Do you ever forget words in French?
Every day.
Really?
Yeah, especially when I'm tired, but I just laugh and keep going. That's how I learn.
Wait, that's my line.
I'm learning from you.
So I should laugh more.
Yes, enjoy your mistakes. They're your best teachers.
Now you're definitely stealing my lines.
You make it sound easy.
Because it can be easy if you relax.
I'll try that next time.
Not next time, this time. Okay? Starting now. Wow, the weather's so nice today.
Yeah, perfect for a walk.
It's great to take a break sometimes.
You know, when I speak English outside, I feel shy.
I understand. Many learners feel the same. But try to think. Most people don't care.
Really? Even if I make mistakes?
Especially then. People usually respect anyone who tries to speak another language.
That makes me feel a bit better.
Here's a secret. Confidence is more important than perfection.
Confidence. I'll try to remember that.
Also, when you walk or move, your brain relaxes. That helps you speak more naturally.
Oh, that makes sense. So walking and talking is good practice.
Exactly. That's why we're doing it now. Look at that dog. It's so cute.
Yeah, it looks hoppy.
Do you have any pets?
No, but I want a cat someday.
Cats are nice. They're independent.
What does independent mean?
It means they don't need much attention. They can be alone.
Oh, like independent in French. I like learning words in context like this.
That's the best way. You remember them better.
In school, we just memorized word lists.
Yeah, that's boring, and you forget them quickly.
True, but when I use a word in a real conversation, I never forget it.
See? That's why speaking is so important. This sandwich is so good.
Glad you like it.
By the way, how do you usually practice English?
Mostly by myself. I watch YouTube videos and repeat sentences.
That's great. You're already doing something important. Repetition.
But sometimes I feel bored.
Then mix it up. For example, watch something funny one day, then listen to music the next.
Oh, like making English part of my hobbies.
Exactly. Learning should be fun. If you enjoy it, your brain learns faster.
That's true. When I laugh, I remember words better.
That's called emotional memory. Emotions make learning stick.
Wow, that's interesting. I'll try to learn with more emotion.
Great idea. Oh, by the way, do you ever talk to yourself in English?
Sometimes, like, where's my phone? Or I'm hungry.
That's perfect. That's how kids learn their first language.
Oh, I never thought about that. So small phrases are okay too?
Absolutely. The key is consistency, not length.
Got it. I'll try to speak to myself more often.
What kind of videos do you watch?
Usually daily vlogs, like a day in my life videos.
Those are perfect. The English is casual and natural.
Yeah, and they use everyday vocabulary.
Do you watch with subtitles?
Sometimes English subtitles, not French.
That's smart. French subtitles can be a crutch.
A crutch? What's that?
Like something you lean on, something that supports you but can make you weaker.
Oh, I see. So using French subtitles too much isn't good, right?
It's okay at first, but try to move away from them.
I'll try. What about you? How did you learn Japanese?
Mostly through anime at first.
Really? That's funny.
Yeah, but I learned some weird words.
Like what?
Like battle phrases, I won't give up, or this is my final attack.
That's not useful in daily life.
Exactly. So I started watching dramas instead.
That makes sense. More realistic conversations.
Yeah, and I made Japanese friends who corrected me.
That's important, having people to practice with.
Definitely. That's why we're doing this today.
Wow, the sky is beautiful.
Yeah, it's a nice ending to a good day.
I spoke English almost all day today. I can't believe it.
And you did great. You made mistakes, but you kept going. That's what matters.
Thanks. I feel more confident now.
That's the goal. English isn't about being perfect. It's about communicating.
Yeah, I think I finally understand that.
So what's your next step?
Maybe to talk with foreigners by myself?
That's a great challenge. Where will you do that?
Maybe at a language exchange cafe or online.
Both are good options. Online might be less scary at first.
Yeah, because you can turn off the camera if you're too nervous.
True, but try to keep it on. It helps with confidence.
I'll try. And remember, it's okay to fail. Just keep trying.
Hey, that's my advice.
I know, but it's good advice, so I'm keeping it.
Fair enough. You know what? I'm proud of you.
Really?
Yeah, you challenged yourself today. That takes courage.
Thank you. I couldn't have done it without you.
You could have, but I'm glad I was here.
Me too. Thanks for spending the day with me.
Anytime, Mark. You're doing great.
Let's speak English again tomorrow.
Deal. Same time?
Sure, and next time, let's try some harder topics.
Like what?
Maybe current events or your dreams for the future?
That sounds challenging, but fun.
That's the spirit. See you tomorrow.
See you, and thanks for believing in me. Always. Now go home and talk to yourself in English.
I will. Bye.
Bye.